So hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, now I am here outside from my house, and yes, before I dive into this vlog, here I want to say good morning to all of you guys who all are watching me right now, because the sun has come out also. And now as you can see, I'm going to show you closely, and I'm sure you are able to see, right? Okay, so as always, even I don't know guys what all kind of things am I going to do, or what all kind of things am I going to show you through this vlog. But yes, whatever things or whatever work I will have to do in this entire day, I will teach a lots of sentences by using the particular things or work, right? Now as you can see, okay, so first of all, now as you can see, I am here. Actually, I start my day by tying my cattle. So that is why right now I have cattle, and I actually right now I am taking my cattle towards river in the pasture. And also I have a scissor. Actually these days, because of not having grass in the ground, I give some corn leaves to eat them, right? So now as you can see, that is why I have the scissor, or you can say sickle. It has a specific name that is called sickle. Okay, so now first let me hit the road. But guys, here I want to say one thing. This morning it's raining, so that is why along the way sometimes you will get to see mud. Yes. Okay guys, so finally I am about to reach at my destination. By the way, I am in the river, or as you can see the sand, right? I am walking in the sand of this river, but after few moments in the ground I will have to tie my cattle now, as you can see. And there is another guy who is behind me, next to me, as you can see. Actually he was saying that, "Lo, crazy man, what are you doing?" But now as you can see, I am able to speak English a little bit, so that is why right now I am not gonna shy or not gonna afraid to him, right? By the way, he is also going to do the same work that I am doing, right? Okay, so now let me reach the final place, right? And then I will show you or try to teach you English, whatever my mind comes up. Okay, so finally I have come in my destination. Now as you can see, actually yesterday I have given these corn leaves to eat them, and some of the corn leaves is left, and that is why my cattle are eating them, right? And also I will have to give right now again, right? So first, now I'm going to tie them. Now as you can see, I have some ropes. Okay, let me tie. Okay guys, now I am going to play a little game, right? You have 3 seconds to tell me what this is called in English. The tool that I put inside the soil, what this is called in English. By the way, if you guys have watched my previous video, then you guys would know that what this is called in English, right? So please let us know in the comment below. And now it's time to cut some corn leaves to eat them, right? So first of all, now this is called a fence, and first I have to jump over this fence. Now as you can see, I jumped it, and now it's time to cut. Now as you can see. Okay, so now let me work. Okay guys, so now I have a little burden of this corn leaf, and now actually my cattle are waiting for me now, as you can see. Okay, and now as you can see, oi jaldi aao. Okay, so again I am going to cut more, because I think this is not enough, so that is why I need more. Okay guys, so now I want to show you the scenario of this place. Now as you can see, after cutting this leaf, now as you can see the scenario of this corn crop, right? See what I have got with this cycle. Actually this is another cycle, this is not mine, and I have got this केला झल्ला. अब इसको इंग्लिश में कैसे कहेंगे आप मुझे बताओ. अगर पता है तो बताओ कमेंट में, अगर नहीं पता है तो wait for next video. And I am the one who has a burden of corn leaf. Now as you can see, and it has so much weight. I am struggle to take them home actually, but still I will have to take them, because I have got in our house, so that is why for them it is necessary to feed them, right? I am not just alone, there are a bunch of people who has also come to cut corn leaves. Okay guys, so now let me reach home. Okay guys, so now I have come home, and also I have kept my burden of corn leaf at my home inside, right? And now I have come here to wash my feet and hands, because it has lots of dust, right? Okay, so now I am at a washroom place, now as you can see, and I am going to clean up. Okay, now as you can see, actually it's a bit of sacks, right? Actually I use it as a rag. What do you mean by rag? First of all, right, this is actually a bit of sack, but here you guys have seen many times here, as you can see in my faucet. Why is it here, by the way? Actually I use it as a rag. First of all, if you guys don't know what this is, what do I mean by rag? Rag is something that's through I clean our body, or whatever you clean with rag, means I use it as a rack. Means if my feet or even in my hand, or even if our body has a lots of dust, right? So it's through this rag through I clean up our body. So that is why I use this rag, right? By the way, it's a bit of sack, but I use it as a rag. I hope I made you understand properly, right? So that is why it is here. Okay, so now this is faucet, and if I press down, it will give us water now, as you can see. Okay guys, so now I just wash my face, and now it's time to towel dry my face and my feet too. And also after towel dry my face, I will have to eat something because I didn't eat anything in the morning. So that is why let's see what will I get to eat. This is called a towel, and this towel through I am going to dry off my face. I dry off my face. See where I am on. Actually this is my temple and I am on the temple, right? Actually my mother asked me to get some jackfruit leaf, right? So that is why actually I am struggle to catch, so that is why I got here. And also I am going to show you the jackfruit. As you can see, this is little version, and few days later it will grow now, as you can see, and it has many years jackfruit. Okay, by the way, I have broke the twigs of this jackfruit in order to get some jackfruit leaf, as you can see. And this is actually for feed my goat. Yes, and now I'm going to get down. Okay, so now I'm going to grab all those twigs of this jackfruit leaf. Now, as you can see, first this is my temple view. As you can see the scenario of my temple. Okay, finally, as you can see, I am going to take them to my cattle. This is called a hoe, and this is called a sack. Actually my dad asked me to get some potatoes today again, so that is why I am ready to get that, right? So that is why, as you can see, this is my bicycle and I am sat on my bicycle, and let's go to my potatoes crop to get some potatoes. So again now I am here outside from my house, and I cross over this fence, and now I am going through this corn now, as you can see. Okay, so finally I am here in my potatoes crop now. As you can see, this area of the field is done to dig, and this is left to dig, and now I'm going to dig 1 or 2 rows, I think. Let's see. This is my sack, and I'm going to keep here, and this is my hoe, and this hoe through I'm going to dig this row, and I'm not sure I'm going to dig 1 or 2 rows. Let's see, whatever I want I will dig, right? So first this, from this side I'm going to dig, right? Okay guys, so now I am here while having rest in the set of bamboos. Now as you can see next to me there are some bamboos here, and I am taking rest because just out of breath, because I just work in my potatoes crop. Now as you can see I have done to dig 1 row, so that is why I am feeling out of breath. So that is why I have come here to have rest in the set of this bamboo, right? And now it's time to all of my potatoes in the sack, then I will take them home. Yes. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the view of potatoes. So now as you can see, and also today is scorching hot. Yes, now as you can see the sun, it is very difficult to stay in the sun, so that is why I am out of breath. Okay, let's walk. Okay guys, this is my potato sack, and now it's time to go on my cycle in the career of cycle, right? Do you know where I am at? Right now I am on the court while having rest. Actually I am feeling thirsty and tedious, so that is why I am having rest here. And it's windy today, so that is why here is I am feeling good to be here. Yes, so that is why I am having rest here. Okay guys, so now it's time to go home. Okay guys, so now I just took a bath, and now it's time to apply oil in my hair, and also I need to comb. Okay, let's do. Okay guys, so now let's learn some English vocab by using my hair. What this is called in English? This line, what this is called in English? This line is called root. Yes, and I can make a root from this side. Now as you can see, this is called a root, and depends on you in which side you make your root. Now as you can see, this is my root, but yes, at the end of my hair, what this is called, the end of my hair, this is called tips. Yes, this is called tips of my hair. And now I am combing. Okay, my lunch is ready. Let's see. Eggplant, and it has masalu. I don't know what this is called in English. And rice, water. Actually, she is my auntie and she is cutting putti. And the same work my mother asked me to do. So that is why I am going to do the same work right now. This is a tool and it's through I am going to cut them. Right now, as you can see, this is a burden of corn leaf. Now as you can see, it has a lots of stem of corn. Now as you can see, this is a leaf and this is called, this part is called a stem, right? And I'm going to cut them. And as I already showed you the process of cutting, right? So now I'm going to stop recording. So finally I have finished now, as you can see, and it's time to, my hand has lots of dust, so I'm going to wash it. Guys, the animal that I showed you just, so what that is called in English, please let us know in the comment below. Okay guys, so now I am here outside from my house again. Actually it's 4 p.m. and at this time I go to the river to get my cattle. So that is why, okay, actually there is someone in front of me coming, so that is why actually they were my relative. Yes. Okay, so now I am going towards river to get my cattle because it's 4 p.m. as I told you right now. And now, by the way, I am here. Next to me there is corn. This is my corn crop, as you can see. And this is what this is called. Let me know in the comment, because I have teach you many a time it English, right? So that is why right now I want you to please you tell me in the comment what this is called in English, right? Okay guys, so finally I have reached at the edge of the river. Yes, actually I called this place at the edge of the river because next to me there is a river and it has water. So that is why I call this place as the edge of the river, right? By the way, I can also call it a pasture or a field, right? But now here, as you can see, there are a lots of pets here, as you can see behind me, and even this cow is mine. And now I'm going to move this cow from here to there, because in order to feed them more grass, I will have to move them from here to there, right? Because there is so much time left. Now as you can see, there is sun, so that is why it is not time to take them home, right? So that is why first of all I would like to move from here to there so that they can eat more grass, right? Okay guys, so now I am here walking in the sand. Actually, because of my hectic day, I couldn't water to my cattle on time. So that is why right now I am going to take my cattle to give them water. So now as you can see the river next to me, there is water on it, as you can see, and they are my cattle. So now as you can see, they are pretty thirsty, as you can see. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the water of this river closely, right? Now as you can see, but it has no much water. If you want, you can cross this river by walking. Yes, you don't need any boat or any ferry, right? Okay guys, after giving water, and by the way, they have done to drink water. But okay guys, that's all for today. I think just I'm going to, oh my god, it's broke. I'm going to show you the rope. And now as you can see, the rope of my white calf is broke. Now as you can see, I have to join them first and then I will tie them in the pasture. And now I think I should stop recording because here is nothing any special to show you, right? So that is why I don't want to make this recording unnecessary longer, right? So that's why I hope you guys liked it. If you did, so please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel.